Hola estudiantes, hoy no estoy en clase, entonces los días que no estoy en clase puedes mirar este video para hacer las actividades que hay que completar hoy. Okay. Puedes ir aquí, vas a hacer matemáticas, voy a leerte las word problems para que sepas qué hacer, ¿ok? The bus had 129 students. The driver dropped off 6 students. How many students were left on the bus? Okay. Go ahead and write your answer here. Remember, we write the number sentence. You can drag this to make it longer. Okay. And you can click on the font size to make the words smaller. Okay. Card B. Molly had 109 sharp pencils. She broke 33 pencils. How many pencils are left? Okay, go ahead and answer here. Card C. Alan had 573 markers and Emily had 33 markers. How many markers does Alan have? Card D. There are 18 students in class. 5 students brought their lunch. How many students are buying their lunch? Okay. These are all subtraction questions. The teacher had 586 star stickers. She gave 27 stickers to her students. How many stickers does she have left? Card F. The teacher passed out 879 journals and took 102 back. How many journals remain with the students? I went ahead and did the number sentence. You do this in your journal to fill out the answers. Card G. Brian had 345 crayons and 55 crayons rolled off the desk and broke. How many does he have left? There are 4 bathroom passes for the class. Sonia took 1 pass. How many are still available? Okay. When you are done with the word problems, go ahead and work on determining the sum. Go ahead, when you're done, record it on the yellow space below. Then you have your subtraction facts. Go ahead and put what is the difference between 10 and 9, 6 and 3, and then you have the following slide. When you're complete, you can go to your practice book, page 131 for math. For your intervention, go to PathBlazer for 30 minutes. Hop back on Google Slide. Start working on your phonics. So you're going to write here. You're going to go ahead and read El Juego de Dados. Answer the questions. Go work on PathBlazer reading for 30 minutes. Write about what you did on your snow day. Okay, write what you did on your snow day. Make sure you use a lot of details. For English, go ahead and read At the Park and answer the questions. You can go ahead and go to specials at 11:45 to 12:45. When you come back at 12:45, find a book on Tumble Books and take a quiz. From 1 to 1:30, go to lunch. After lunch at 1:30, go ahead and work on reading adaptations and answer the questions for this animal. For social studies, click here to watch the video on Thurgood Marshall, and then go to the next slide and write what you learned about him. Okay? When you are done, you can go to Zora, read a book, and then you can take a quiz on it. When you're complete with today's work, go ahead and exit the Google slide and go back to Google Classroom and click Turn In. Okay? And that will be your work for today. Please take your time and answer every activity that I've left for you. Okay? Be on your best behavior, and I'll see you tomorrow.